Let's explore PHP for loops. For loops are a fundamental control structure in PHP, enabling efficient iteration control. It helps to master the most versatile loop structure in PHP for controlled repetition and iteration tasks. Let's understand the syntax structure of a PHP for loop. The basic structure consists of the keyword for, followed by parentheses containing three expressions separated by semicolons, and then a code block enclosed in curly braces. The expressions are initialization, condition, and increment. Inside the curly braces, you write the code to execute. The three parts of the for loop are initialization, condition, and increment. The initialization component sets the starting value for the loop counter variable. It is executed only once at the beginning of the loop. Here are some examples. $I equals 0, $count equals 1, and $start equals 10. The $sign indicates the variable name, and the equal sign indicates the assignment of a value to the variable. The condition component is a Boolean expression that determines if the loop continues. It is checked before each iteration. Here are some examples. $I less than 10. $count less than or equal to 100. $x not equal to 0. The expression is used to test and see if the loop should continue. The increment component updates the loop variable after each iteration. It is executed at the end of every loop cycle. Here are some examples. $I plus plus. $count plus equals 2. $x minus minus. These operators increment and decrement the variable at the end of each loop. Let's look at a complete for loop example. The code shows a for loop that initializes a variable $I to 1, continues as long as $I is less than or equal to 5, and increments $I by 1 after each iteration. Inside the loop, the echo function prints the string number followed by the value of $I and a new line. The output shows number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, each on a new line. Here are some common use cases for loops. Array iteration, where you process elements with known indices. Data processing, where you perform mathematical calculations and transformations. Counting operations, where you execute the loop an exact number of times. Repetitive tasks, where you execute code blocks multiple times. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.